Growing up in Africa, I was introduced or I was told that if you want to hide something from an African person, put it inside a book. And that's exactly what I grew up to see. But you see, over the years, after I left my parents at 15 for the city, I discovered that the only way you can strive and compete with your contemporaries or adapt to the trending digital world is by reading, study. And if you don't study, there is no way you can increase your capacity. As a coach, I have seen and have coached several young people. And I discovered that as soon as they graduated from college, they don't tend to read anymore. Anything outside their career space doesn't interest them.